Yo, what's up, y'all? Good morning, top of the morning. We're back again with another Code and Chill. It is 6:46. I've been up since about 5. Already did a little workout. Got my coffee. Make sure the sound is good. I already journaled a little bit. Made my to-do list for the day. So we're just gonna start with fixing these errors on the settings page. Grab your courses, grab your water, make some tea, whatever. Let's get to work.
Tower, milk crate. It's the same way you showed me. Cannonball off the porch side. Older kids trying off the roof. Just the same way you showed me. You were sure. If you could die and come back to life, up for air from the swimming pool, you kneel down to the dry land, kiss the earth that birthed you, gave you tools just to stay alive.
Damn,
and
I
make
lost
it out
the,
when the sun is ruined. That's the same
oh, it was
way
this
you
one.
showed me.
No, it wasn't.
You showed me love.
Damn, I gotta. Oh, okay.
It's all downhill from here. Real life, remember how it was. I'm cheap, Michael Jackson, all this shit. Say what up to Maggie, the shoe. Say what up to Benny. Say what up to life and my talent. So sweet, bitch, I might like immortality. This is life, immortality.
My bad, I'm still getting set up. Yo, what up, y'all? I just now got the chat going. Dang, I wasn't expecting people to be up this early for real. What's good? What's good, y'all? I started off all hype and then got a little tired on the low. I'm like, it hit me. Don't you hate when you lose your chat GPT window that you were working with? I'm like, man, I gotta start over, low key. Alright, where was I? I think I know what yeah. I know where I was at.
But she making up. She on the stage with everyone. Yeah, maybe she tough. Just cop the merch to show support. I hope she's kicking it up. All these years I just say one thing. You got friends and they know my body well. Can't be mad, my business out in the streets. I still hope you come see for yourself. Damn, it's just a crush. Damn.
Okay, here we go. Should be this. Alright. Personal table.
Call me if you get lost.
If God was here with us today.
Import. Property tenant ID does not exist on type. User or user show. Okay. Use fetch personnel by work item.
Look nice. I got a new boat you should come with. I got a section for your luggage. Bring some fiction and a nightlight. Record player when your top 5. Where we going? We should get lost. No more questions. Let the walk talk. I want you.
Import personnel.
Come get lost with me. Ask you one more time before I tread to leave. So can you make up your mind? The wave's gonna come, wave's gonna come. So can you make up your mind? The wave's gonna come. Unlike my friends, don't think I'll fall in love again, but I'll take the chance. Seclusion isn't in my plans. Pack my shit up, turn my head back.
Shit just got real. I gotta play an instrumental. It's hard to think sometimes when I'm hearing lyrics. Yeah, man. It's all about the error messages. That's the thing. People never show this side, you know? This is most of it, right? I know what's wrong too. I just gotta go to all these different files and change the iUser. So can you make up your mind? The wave's gonna come, wave's gonna come. So can you make up your mind? Hey, appreciate y'all. The wave's gonna come. Downloading. Word. Yeah, I'm about to switch it out instrumentals. Trying to read and hearing like rapping and singing, it's like, hold on. I'm splitting myself too many different directions. There we go. Alright. Does not exist on type. User or user role string email. I'm gonna try to run this one more time. Fetch personnel by work item. Oh, I'm tripping. Okay. Yep. So I gotta go there. There it is. Okay, cool. This. Wait, sequel or no sequel for what? I'm gonna actually put the chat where I could see it, other than every 20 minutes when I could click on it. Still too hot to drink. I hate waiting for. Woo! Yo, what's up, bro? For my database, I prefer NoSQL. Slight less work to do from my perspective. Top of the morning, bruv. Linux. Nice. I think I only have like 3 more files I need to change. I'm trying to get rid of these error screens so I could preview this page that I'm building. I can't look at it because of the error screens being in the way. TypeScriptings. Personnel table. I don't know why it took me so long to find that. It's just an import statement. Okay. Don't worry about that, or that, or that, or that. This one. Use fetch projects. Whew. I've always heard good things about email development, that's a good way to break in too, but I don't know a lot about it. I never tried that route, but I've definitely heard about it though. It's Friday. Got my to-do list for the day written down. It's fix these errors first. I like to break stuff down into really small tasks so that I can get a little bit of dopamine every time that I knock one thing out. I get up and I cross it off the board, you know. I'm gonna try to use the Pomodoro technique today too, where you like you stop breaking. You break every 30 minutes. How long is it? So far this is 16. Okay. So at like 7:20, I'm gonna take a 5-minute break. You're supposed to give your brain a chance to like take a break, reset a little bit. I heard. Cause you know when you're working like 5 hours in a row, 4 hours in a row, eventually you just start to feel like on E. Brain fog, is it? It gets painful. So just to like, since I know I'm really about to be working until 5 o'clock, most likely, I'm gonna see if I can do that. Take little breaks, reset, drink some water, stretch, maybe do some jumping jacks or something. And then after the error screen, got settings page, and then I gotta get an invoice ready for the client in Florida. We're onboarding a restaurant today. Before I send her the invoice, I want to make like a content plan, look up like marketing strategy, so I have just a little bit more to talk to her about the things that I need to get started, because I'm starting today working with her. And then depending on what time it is at that point, it depends on what I'll be able to do before 5. Gotta leave here at like 4:30 probably to get to this event at 5. I'm gonna shoot a video from this technology, the STEM, Women in STEM, I think it's called, the event tonight. Good books I would recommend. I definitely could do a video on that, bro. Yeah. Top 5. Word. Let me write that down. I'm gonna write that down right now, bro. I'll definitely do that. I got a little video idea section. Hold up. Top 5. I know what it'll be. I know what it's gonna be. It's gonna be top 5 like learning resources, and I'm gonna throw a book in there, one YouTube community other than ours, and the other one will be 3 online resources. Yo. Okay, so I got 10 minutes before the break. I'm gonna try and like see how many of these I can knock out in 10 minutes. I throw the hoodie on, locked in. Please fetch personnel by work item. Hold up. Oh, it's not even that one. Okay. Word, I did all of those user issues, so now it's just imports. That's my problem. Okay. Well, shit. Alright. Let's start at the top. Matter of fact, let me see if ChatGPT knows a shortcut. These. What is the fastest way to remove these export issues that arose from when I commented out the export for errors trying to move these
I just want the keys back to my vehicle. They're just gonna
Woo!
tell you that it wasn't you. And I just wanna tell you this is how I feel. I know you feel, I know you feel it.
Word, that's what's up, bro. Yeah, man. Definitely can help you out with that, bro. It's so crazy how like certain things you don't really think about until you like need to tell it to somebody, you know. Somebody asked me earlier, he was like, how did you get so connected, and how are you doing all these different businesses and business ideas and stuff? And I was like, damn, how did I do that? I never really thought about that before, having to like figure that part out. Honestly, I mean the fear, I can't say that the fear and discomfort goes away, you know what I mean? Just doing stuff while being scared, you know, at the same time, or like uncomfortable at the same time. I'm always uncomfortable, even though I'll be like, you know, backstage at something or something like that, you know, working with the people. I had to tell my friends yesterday, I sent a picture to the group chat, just cause, man, hopefully this is inspiring, you know what I mean? I'm gonna send it to my girl's Facebook so I could show y'all real quick. I truly believe that everybody could do this. Hold up. This picture here, this was last night. Me and my friends were inside this room, inside one of the dopest buildings in town. They reserved the room for us for a meeting because we're planning to do social supply in this establishment on the rooftop. And these are my bros that like I grew up with since 4th grade, slumber parties, gaming and stuff like that. So I sent this picture to the group chat and I was like, yo, y'all realize where we were at, what we're doing, bro, how far we came from, you know, Dreamcast days to this. It's super cool, bro. And yeah, it's just, you're already on the right track because of what you said. You know the problem, you know. Did the website I built have a working form? What do you mean a working form? Like a form that takes inputs? Seems like there's an issue with how components are being exported and re-exported from their respective files. Commented out expectations in the individual and have not used the default syntax. That will cause errors. I'm sure each component has one, but what if you need to fix the export in the your index TS should re-export these components properly if they are default exports. You should not use braces around them, for example. When quickly bypass the issue, you can directly import the components in the files that they use. Comment out the problematic exports in your index.ts. I think that's the best thing to do. A contact form. Oh, let me see. How can we look at that real quick? Oh yeah, didn't we got a Netlify domain for that, I think. Eileen Brewer. No, it was like eileenbrewer.netlify. This one. Yep. It did. This is it right here. We got, this is going to be the home page. I'm just going to put her picture here. I have to do this by Monday. Here is the website that we're turning into that one. So I'm just going to take this picture here, put it here. I hope she's all right with the colors. I'm going to change this logo to be her name instead. And I hope that she's okay with it being 3 pages. Like, you're going to have to click about instead of just scroll down to it. I'm going to take this picture and all of this stuff, put that in here. I'm thinking hopefully this stuff here can align well with these things here. Looking at it now, it looks slightly like childish vibes compared to, you know, she's a little bit more serious older lady, but hopefully she's okay with that, you know, with the cotton candy vibes of this website. But then here down at the bottom, I'm gonna put all of these here. And then over in, I'm not gonna have the resume. I'm just gonna delete this section, delete this one most likely, unless maybe I could use this for some of her pictures, because it is a portfolio. Like, maybe I could grab some more pictures from her trips, from her LinkedIn. Excuse me. And then we don't need a blog for her, so I'll probably just delete that. And then her contact card here. I think she didn't even want her email up here. She just wants a contact card and then connecting to her LinkedIn. So simple. Not gonna have her address in here. Not even gonna have email or phone. I guess it's just gonna say LinkedIn. She didn't want her email on there for some reason. But yeah, it's 7:16. I'm gonna take a 5-minute break before getting back to it. If y'all been here since the start, you should do the same. It's 30 minutes. We're doing the Pomodoro technique today. Got a lot of stuff to work through. Thank y'all for chilling with me. Yeah, right? Alright, be right back. Wake up. Give me 10 push-ups, 3 laps, run outside, bring the trash in, mow the lawn, and come back. Everybody up! Wake up, everybody! Don't let life leave you behind. You only got one chance. Everybody, jumping jacks. Right now. Woo, woo, woo! It's Friday. It's Friday, my people. And we're back. Round 2. Next break is going to be at 8 o'clock. So we got 30 minutes. It's a race against the clock to see how much I can get done between now and 8 o'clock. I'm gonna run this last song back because this is my shit. Alright, what was I about to do? Quickly bypass issue. Yeah. Directly import the components in the files where they're being used there. Coming out problem in the index.ts file. Okay. So inside the index.ts file. Personnel form. Oh, wrong one. This one. That. No! Air export personnel for import was not found. Okay, that's not gonna work. That. Alright. Use types. Oh, so what if I go here personnel rating. Import iPersonnel. Oh, so I need to go to fetch personnel by project. Wait a minute. All right, hold on. Think about this for a second. What if I just fix that problem, bro? All right, I'm having a little debate with myself right now. Because the thing is, I'm technically running away from a problem here, even though it is a bit of a and it is a rabbit hole even trying to do that, to just comment the code out, bypass the errors so that I can preview the page. What if it would be quicker for me to just fix the problem? Maybe, although I'm not supposed to be working on that yet. What if it will save time to just fix the problem instead of trying to bypass the problem? That might be worth a try. I think I might try that. If I could do that from now to 8, maybe I could even just fix it, and then it won't ever be an issue again, and I can move forward. Because this shit, I have been ducking and dodging this problem for so long, it slows everything up along the way, and it still ain't fixed yet. I think that's the move. That's what I'm gonna try to do. You know what I'm saying? But the thing is, that's working on something without permission, because they like us to stay very like, don't go off plan, because that could be another rabbit hole. But I think I know how to fix this though, just because I've researched it so much since I've been trying to get it out of the way. I know what we need to do. It's just we're not doing it yet. Damn. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna see if I can knock it out. I don't even have to, push that commit to the main branch, but at least it'll work locally for now. All right, let me just make sure. Make sure I see the plan. Here it is. So personnel should no longer exist as their own resource type. Instead, the front end should be updated to reference and query users with the personnel role. Click through the staging environment, explore the areas where there are personnel, search through the front end coded database for personnel references. Come up with a strategy to replace personnel with users with minimal impact to the user interface. Okay. So we still will reference personnel from the back end, but the front end will be user. Personnel should no longer exist as their own resource type. Instead, the front end should be updated to reference and query users. So we're changing personnel to a role. But this so much is based off of personnel. Alright, let's see what GPT thinks about trying to do this way. Alright. Now I'm gonna show this also so you can see what we have done so far. Alright. Yo, have a good night, bro. Thanks for stopping by, chilling with us. Yo, yo. Yeah. The past is in your mind, the future is in your hands. Facts. Yo. Oops. Which text editor is the best way to go about making a website that handles blog creation? That I don't know. Which text editors? I guess that depends on what else do you need for the blog, because there's so many different templates. Like you could easily do a WordPress and grab a blog. But you said handles blog creation. Do you mean like you're still writing the blog yourself? Or are you using AI for the blog creation? From the tasks you share, it seems like you're trying to set a personal type, the user type. The fact that involves the structure changes the house. Alright, they're admitting that this is a significant change, as well as updates to UI components that display and manipulate this data. Here's a strategy you can follow. Map out dependencies. Identify all the components, hooks, and utilities that currently depend on the personal type. It is a lot, bro. I already looked at that. It's like 26 files. Update the data model. Adjust your data model to remove personal type and ensure that all personal related information is included in the user type with the appropriate role, right? So, you may need to migrate data, your Firebase database, to a new data model. This could involve writing a script to transfer data. True. Refactor hooks. Update your React hooks to fetch, manipulate, and return personal data to now work the user. Make sure these hooks now properly query and manipulate the data based on users' roles. Alright. Refactor components. One by one, update your components to use the updated hooks and the user type. Damn, instead of personnel. This will likely involve changing how you access properties since you're moving from personnel to user, right? Then you have to test. After each change, test the application to ensure that it still behaves as expected. If you have a large number of components and hooks, it might be wise to refactor and test in stages rather than trying to update everything at once. Data migration. Will we really have to migrate the data if we get rid of personnel? Damn, I guess we would, because it's gonna no longer be a personnel type. But do we have any data for personnel? I don't even think we have any personnel data, so that won't be an issue. Barely. There's like barely anything. Okay. So that's not going to be an issue. Changes are small and modular. Okay. I suppose this right here. Man, those 30 minutes go by fast. It's already 7:43. That's cool though. That means we got about 17 minutes. Okay. I'm still on the fence about if we start this now or later. I know it's gonna have to be done eventually, so maybe it's better just go ahead and do it now. Identify all the component clips and utilities displayed depending on the personal type. Let's see. Damn, we only got 6 minutes left. I guess that's cool, man. I guess I need to learn how to take breaks anyway, or else I'll just sit here until, like, before you know it, like, you need to go take a nap or something. Maybe doing this, I'll be able to work longer. Taking proper breaks. The video that showed me this idea, it said, learn how to give your brain a rest. And it was saying why our brains are not set up to just run and run and run and run and run. And I used to, when I would take a break from coding, I would play chess. And like, no, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to breathe, like, just sit down and breathe. Get oxygen, like, just focus on like deep breaths and hydrating, drink water, and just chill for a second. And then when you come back to work, you'll be more focused and think clearer and stuff like that. In theory, I'm gonna test it out today. That's what that video was saying. I'm gonna find out. If it doesn't work, I'm going back to doing what I was doing before. Update, remove personal form. So possibly update or possibly remove them. If these components are only used for personnel, consider either repurposing them to handle user data. That is very true. Update or remove personal form. We can't remove it. Personal avatar and personal table. Hooks like use fetch personnel by project will need to be updated to fetch users with personal role. True. Okay. Let's take a look. I feel like I should keep this for later in case I need it. Be able to cross off where we're at with this. That's what we'll do. Component refactor. True. Routing. Then the routing update. Then conduct a full search. Okay. Then security rules. See, when you break stuff up like that, it's really not that bad. As bad as it feels when it's just one big ass thing. So that's just, first we knock out the components, then the hooks, then the routing. That's really 3 things. Word. I'm gonna start when we get back. Take another. It's 7:58. I was trying to wait till 8 o'clock to get started. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Well, I'm just gonna take a little break, and then at 8:05 we will work until 8:30. So little sprints is what I'm gonna try, because if not, I lose track of time. I just lock in. Yeah bro, I'm working on the startup. Yeah, I work for a startup. It's been awesome. I should put something on when I go to when I walk off, so it's not just music playing. Yo, there is a video I want to watch. I want to watch a video, but I was gonna turn it into a video later, so I guess I can't watch it. I shouldn't watch it. But matter of fact, I mean, why not? I could watch it more than once, or I'll just play it. Oh shit, Cat Williams talked to Joe Rogan. I need to watch that. I am full stack development, so I need to look at the audio. I can't even tell if y'all can hear. The music is so loud in my ear. Let me turn this down a little bit. Oh, it is pretty low. So I work for a startup, and so far, just the demo has been built. They call it the MVP, the minimum viable product. And when it was created, it went through its first round of funding, and it did get funded. But the person who built the MVP is not on the team. That was just a demo that was created by another company. And I was brought on the team as the first engineer working with the startup. And there's another company that's project managing the project. So they're basically telling me different tasks that need to be worked on to code it out and stuff like that. And I'm going through and rebuilding the MVP and basically getting it ready for production and actually ready for sale. You know what I mean? Or ready for the next round of funding and stuff like that. So it's really just building out everything to make it an actual thing, whereas before it was more of like a shell. Then, you know, like a lot of things are missing that we would expect from an app, like billing history, like a settings page in general. That's what I'm working on right now, is building out the settings page and the profile page, like when you're on an app or inside anything. You know, trying to look at something I could pull up. Oh, I can do my Facebook. Like when you're here, you know, you can just, all of this type of stuff over here. No. Y'all know what settings pages are. But yeah, that's what I'm building out. You can tell I never go to Facebook for real. Why when I click? See, this is a bad user experience. Where is it? Profile status? Is it up here? Account. Damn. Oh, here it is. My bad. Yeah, so yeah, it's over here. Yeah, I'm building out this page and everything that needs to go in here inside our app. It's not going to be as much stuff as this because, you know, we're small, just getting started. Yeah, no, I can't. I can't show the project. I mean, especially because it's just the. Well, I mean, I could show you the MVP. Where's it at? Yeah, this is the demo. Actually, it's not even gonna work right because that was my login. Hold up. Here we go. So yeah, it's an app for for ship repairs, and it's been used with 3 different ships so far. Project management, kind of like an Asana, if you know what that is, or like Monday.com, something like that, where they can keep track of the different repairs that are happening, who's working on the project, different stuff like that. There's a lot more planned for the future, and so the company that I work for is focused on software for the military. Yo, night, bro. Catch you later. Thanks for chilling with us. It's crazy. It's morning over here, night over there. We worldwide. The tech stack is React on the front end, and then Firebase and Data Firestore in the back end, which is basically free at first. I was showing somebody in here about Firestore database. It's created by Google, and anybody with the Gmail can access it. You can get users authenticated, user login. That's what so that's why I made Digital Builders the way that I made it, because when I got hired, I found out their tech stack, and I was like, let me learn this before I start this job. So this is the same exact model of our project because I had access to the code base, and I was like, let me practice, tinker around with this stuff a little bit before I'm doing it for real. And so yeah, I did all of this before even working for them, just with tutorials. And I found out that yeah, you could set up all of this with very, very minimal code. You know what I mean? Like almost none on Firebase. So yeah, it's just a chat. Ours is just a chat and a broken to-do list app. I need to gonna go through here. Supposed to be working with Neil on this. It's on a to-do list. It's just a lot going on right now. But of course, we're the digital builders. Like, we can't have this site messed up. Come on. And I think, like, last I checked, it was 60 something people signed up for this website. So I'm like, damn, people coming in and like probably like, what the fuck is this? Okay, I got the GitHub. Yeah, just people testing out the chat. So when the dust settles a little bit, man, going out of town soon, so I'll have a lot of free time. Depending on what's going on, actually, I might not have a lot of free time. But I'm gonna figure, maybe sitting on the plane and shit like that. I'll be working on that. We got to get it right, man. I'm gonna put this up there, and I'm gonna put that we're an agency, marketing agency, that we do we do everything. Social media, we build apps. We're gonna do everything. You know what I mean? So how dope would it be if I get this thing so big and so built up that I can give jobs to you guys, pass stuff out? That's my goal, for real. Like, amongst many other things. Like, of course, inspiring y'all, people who are a little bit behind me on the path. You know what I mean? I'm still one of y'all. I was just there. Let's get it. It's 8:07. I'm late for my break. I'm supposed to be coming back right now, so I gotta do some math here. Why don't I'm gonna come back at 8:15 just to keep this shit easy to keep track of. I'm gonna come back at 8:15. Go stretch. If y'all been here with us for over 30 minutes, you should do that too. I'm finding out this new thing that, it's not really, I've been doing it for a while on and off, but just never consistently and seriously. I'm really trying to tap into that and see if it boosts my productivity. Taking a brain break. I'm gonna go just like chill, drink some water, sit outside for a little bit. I will be back at 8:15. That's like 5 minutes. Let me put something on so it ain't just the beats going. Where is that? Okay, here. So I'll have something here. It's all just, shoot, social supply doesn't count. Programming languages as people. That's going to be interesting. Okay, this is 7 minutes. That's perfect.
I absolutely love this. I think Python is pretty dang accurate.
All right, I'll be back.
Everybody I've ever met, this is R. Even my boss slightly falls under this. I swear, I will be like doing something, and he's just like, "Hey, can you just give me a CSV? I could throw together a quick R visualization."
Friday, bro.
Like, damn, son.
What's up?
Too shiny. I think the thing about Java is it's way less Chad, and it's more like a dad with like a kid hanging out with like a soccer ball. Just
hey, we both wearing black today.
It's just very, they've aged out of corporatism at this point. I think it's just a soulless dad. This is perfect. This is definitely JavaScript. This is to the T. This is exactly what JavaScript is. No, everyone agrees.
I gotta be back, babe, at 8:15.
A little extends in there.
8:15.
You can technically curry. You got everything you need. I do like this. A little cracked out. During my PHP days are probably the days that I spent the most time coding. Like PHP days, I was like slightly cracked out from coffee. I mean, this is a picture of Pick with man titties or whatever's going on in this situation. I'm not really sure what's happening here. This one's a little bit confusing right on this one. Pearl, how is this so shockingly accurate? Like real talk. Why is it every time I meet someone that does Pearl, they also enjoy a nice, like, hike and they bring all the stuff you could possibly need, such as a frying pan and everything, right? Like, they're really into all of that.
You're off
every
today,
time.
babe.
Definitely grass touchers. They're definitely grass touchers for sure. And a sword because they're about
I'm
to go
working
to a
all
park
day
where
today.
they're going to reenact, you know,
I'm working
knights
from
fighting.
now till
See?
5.
Yes.
And then we got an event to go to.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
How do you bring that
This
white
is
woman in
pretty
here?
much like half my coworkers. This is funny. All right, I am nothing like my father. Really? This is what they went with on this one? I don't think I would have gone with that one. I would have gone with like
They be
the
like,
what is it? The khakis, the khaki pants and shoes. Right? Yeah. This is what I would have gone
I
with
hate when they
personally
do that
for like
shit.
C#. This is just C#.
What
That's
time
all
is
it
it,
is.
Bobo?
That's just C# all day. Khaki's better, yeah.
Can you hit
this
the phone
one, like,
real quick? It's right
maybe
next
at a
to you.
point this
Other
made
side.
sense. Maybe I'm misinterpreting this. Maybe. We'll give it a maybe. Ruby, I would just put a picture of DHH.
Come on, bruh.
Surely, what should have happened? Thank you, Percy. Thank you, Cam's Codes.
Seriously?
Surely, what should have happened is that we should have gone on Twitter and we should have had DHH.
Yeah, don't act like you
and
never
it should have just
farted
been
before.
this picture. There you go. That
Come on,
should have
man,
just been
get
Ruby.
up.
Surely we can all agree to that.
You wish
That's
you
a
could
picture of
fart that
low-level learning,
loud.
and it's quite an accurate one, to tell you the truth. Like, this is a very accurate picture of low-level learning. Erlang, I have this weird idea in
Come
my
on,
head
Twinkle
that
Toes.
You know, like, has anyone ever wanted to, like, learn a second language or do, like, some sort of thing, like learn an instrument or anything like that? That's kind of like something you romantically want to do. Mine is this whole region.
It's gonna put you on the
Erlang, Elixir.
It does
like
your
that, the whole
insulin. Your
Gleam or
insulin's
beam or
gonna go
whatever the hell
up.
you guys call it,
Then
side
you're
of
gonna
things.
be on
That's
that
like I
on
want to
that
learn an instrument.
cycle
Yeah, I've always wanted to learn one, but
of
I've never
craving.
Yeah, exactly.
You're
Exactly.
tired.
You get it.
Eat
There's
more
Elixir,
insulin.
yeah.
Blood
Just
sugar's
very
gonna
fantastic. This is a great picture.
Insulin.
We're like all evil and mean, and the person's all fantastic.
That's not
Like
till
this
nighttime.
is
man. It's
what I
not
want.
first
This
thing in
is
the
what I
morning.
want to be. I
Not
want.
for
Why can't I?
breakfast.
Why can't I be this person? Okay.
Not for breakfast. That's when I want to
I
take a nap.
think because this is a little bit older of a like an image meme thing. I think this is actually
Jeez.
super accurate because even during the early days of Go, there wasn't a module system because Google was like, wait a second, you guys need a mod, you know, like cue the
Winter's
peasant,
over, guys.
the peasant. I am too rich. I forget the name of this one. Literally, this was Google when you asked for a module system.
When's
Just like-
summertime coming, dude?
You guys don't already have an extensive.
This year I'm going to the beach.
I have too much of a
Every
build
day.
system to understand this joke, right? Like they're just they could not understand the fact that we needed a module system. What? That actually is the part of the reason, by the way. That is like they didn't need that. It made no sense to them. All right, Rust. I do love Rust. There's nothing
Love
funnier
you.
than Rust because there's 3 shields. This idea of 3 shields is just so dang funny. Hey, thank you everybody for all the gifted subs and the raid. Holy cow! Hey, who was the raider? Who was the raider? Hey, DevDad, appreciate that. You're going in this YouTube video. Say thank you. Say thank you. Hey boys. Hey boss. Hey boss. Hey. Anyways, I'll be your designated driver. Don't talk while eating. You can choke and die. Dude, this is Rust. It's beautiful. It would have been more beautiful if they would have put a shield also for that. Yep, this is pretty much every time someone mentions Fortran, they always mention scientific computing. So this is spot on. This is absolutely spot on. That's Python these days. Sorry, Python. We're all about the ML these days. Sorry, MATLAB. I mean, I know you still do a lot, MATLAB, but all these days we're all engineers hate MATLAB. It's Python or dude, people want Julia to make it, dude. Julia, I don't know if Julia's gonna make it, but man. But people want Julia. People just want it. Every single time you're like, oh yeah, AI with Python, they're like, Julia, there's Julia. Dude, Julia's great, dude. I know. I mean, I think Julia's probably great. Por qué, Julia? Lua, is this what Brazilians look like? When I go to Brazil, early May, is this what's gonna happen? Is this Brazil? No. Brazilian mentioned, plus no. I feel like if I were to make this one, it would be the same picture as this one. And all it would be is the "let's go Brazilian" mentioned. And that's it. Because anytime you start typing Lua, people are just like, Brazil mentioned? Are you? Is this it? Is this? Did you know that Lua means moon? Lua means moon. Did you know that? It's Portuguese. It's from Brazil. Let's go, Brazil! Roblox. Dude, people love it. Scala. Hey kid, you want to try some functional programming? Seems pretty accurate. She's missing the flag. If she was wrapped in the Brazilian flag, then I would have seen this. But there was no Brazilian flag. Objective C. It's just nowadays, people that are still doing Objective C are objectively more sad. They still wear all the Apple clothes and everything. They're just much more sad. You're gonna do great. Was IBM involved with Swift? Is this true? I didn't realize IBM was involved with Swift. I thought Swift was like an Apple creation. I had no idea. Swift is pretty good. Everything about Swift, I think, is pretty good. I think I do want to try Swift. Lisp dialects, yeah, this is all pretty reasonable. And Racket, yes. And Racket. Dude, effing Racket. Effing Racket over there. Wah! Dude, this is all Lisp. Yep. Brainfuck, beautiful. Beautiful. Still to this day, I still love this list. I can't believe how old this is and how decently accurate this entire meme still is. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
Shit, right on time. Back, it's 8:17, so gonna go till 8:45-ish. And yeah, just doing the Pomodoro technique, working on setting up this settings page. For now, I have shifted gears for a little bit to try and get this error screen out of the way so that I can preview the settings page that I'm building. I already built the component and now I need to look at it, but when it's compiling, we're hitting errors, so I can't see the thing that I'm building. So dealing with that. That's the first thing on the to-do list. I've been up since 5 o'clock. It's now 8 o'clock. But I didn't start working until like 6:30, kind of. Did some like a little bit of journaling, did a little bit of exercise. You know, I've been working on getting my system going, getting my routine going to help me be more productive and to help me reach success, you know, quicker. Or to make the road more comfortable. How about that? It takes discipline. Yup. And yeah, it takes discipline. So, and because, you know, I don't mind grinding. I don't mind staying up all night. If I'm doing a hackathon or something like that, shoot, I'll stay up 2 days in a row working. But there's a certain point where your body just breaks down. And you do that too many days in a row. You get the bags under the eyes, you get the brain fog, you try to compensate with caffeine. So now you get the jitters. You'll be high energy but like tweaking and you can't even think straight. And then on top of that, if you're dealing with anything creative, like you can't, you know, create right, and it just gets bad. I want everything to be easier because I know that there's a lot that I plan on doing. There's a lot of opportunities that could be done if I was more focused, more at my best. I actually I didn't uninstall it. I thought I uninstalled it, but then I saw it this morning. I still have League of Legends, which is a game that I've been addicted to for years, for a very long time. And I just spend so much time. Like even a light day is like 3 hours. That's literally all I do when I'm not coding. I'm playing League of Legends. I'll say no to everything else, honestly. Like, and just do that. But the thing is, I could still be productive and get a lot done living that life. I could keep going that way, but it's not optimal. You know, I'm very big on self-improvement, very big on evolution, and I just always want to make sure that I'm doing what I need to do to be at my best and to be as to take the things that I can control and see what happens, see how it feels, see if it's easier. Because if it's easier, then you know it's worth it. It's worth the sacrifice if it's easier. Whatever I got to let go of. So this is day one of me focusing on the brain break thing, and so far I like it. I feel good. You know, I've been up for a while and I feel good. When I'm tired, I'm gonna go to sleep. That's what I was thinking about last night. I went to sleep mad early. I think as soon as I came home, well, not as soon as I came home. I chilled for a little bit. I think I was messing with YouTube, social supply YouTube stuff, and I looked at my YouTube analytics a little bit, and then I just went to sleep. I could have started coding. I could have started normally. I would have just started working on this. It was like 10 o'clock at night. You know, I would have started like drinking and smoking and working on this, but and then next thing you know, I don't go to sleep until 3 in the morning when I do that. But then I'm like waking up late. Everything is just thrown off. Versus like trying to be in rhythm with the sun. You know, getting up early when the sun goes up, winding down when it goes down. You know, that's gotta put you in a better, clearer headspace, right? Sometimes I do, and I have done. It's not like I've never done that before. You know, it's all about, but how long can I do that in a row? And then what will I feel like? What will I feel like? That's what I'm aiming for, you know, and see like if that makes everything better. I got my routine down. Like I have the whole plan down that I'm gonna do, and when I do all of these things, I feel like I'm gonna be at my best. I'm very, very piece by piece gonna build it up, you know, and I even have an app to help me with that. I was gonna try and build one for myself to help me with that, which I still might do one day, and just you know, make it super customized to my situation. But yo, I'm rambling, and damn. All right, well it's 8:22. I want to make sure I'm working for at least 30 minutes. So I'm gonna start at, well shit, I'll start now and just do a little extra. So the next break will be at 9. I'm gonna start now. Should I play this? This playlist here always gets me hype. Makes me feel like I'm in the Matrix or something like that. So I'm about to play this. Change the vibe a little bit. I like to even have this on the screen. Try to like sync up the Social Network. This is all the music from the movie Social Network and scenes too. Let me look at, I haven't looked at the chat this whole time. I just been rambling. Where is it? Did I like, I think I minimized it somewhere. I don't even know where it is. Check my phone. I thought I wrote this email back. Hold up, I gotta do this real quick. Before posting files, I need to review and approve center and clearing. It needs to be branded as such, keeping in mind the client's brand. True. Here, let me get this girl this spreadsheet real quick. I could have sworn I sent that. It was this. Oh. Okay, here it is. Woo! I found it. I was about to say. Okay. Alright. Name this copy. Can I save this and share it? Reference. Well, how do you? Okay. Can I save now? There we go. Run of show. Set up. Oh my god, bro. I'm just gonna text this to her, because the spreadsheet is giving me a hard time. Alright, here's the changes. Alright, my bad. Had to get that taken care of. Right. Okay. All right, it's 8:30. We're about to work until 9. Let's get back to where I was. It would actually be better if I did not start a new one. Where is the other one? Was it here? Okay. I was about to say. Let me close some of these windows though. Close that. Close that. I got a bunch more over here too, on the other side. Close all this extra stuff. Close that. need that open. Or that. That one. Okay, there we go. Okay, first thing is to update or remove personnel form. Okay. Choose a component. Definitely not going to remove this. This music really got me feeling like I'm in the Matrix trying to crack the code. Follow the personal phase out instructions. Update form, purpose, and interface. Rename personal form to a more generic name like user form. True. User form instead of personnel form. But wait, wasn't the front end supposed to say personnel still? So we can't, that's not following the instructions, if I'm not mistaken. Personnel phase out. Personnel should no longer exist as their own resource type. Instead, the front end should be updated to reference and query users with the personnel role. Oh, so it is going to be user, but just with the personnel role. So wait a minute. Does that mean that the user's not going to say personnel? Yeah, it wouldn't be personnel form, but it is still personnel. But user doesn't really fit to me in that position, because just because you're a user does not mean that you're personnel. User form, I guess that depends on what is even in this form. That's what I should look at. So let me take a look at that real quick. Personnel. So personnel is really going to just say user. But the role, if the role's personnel, create personnel. should just say create user. Right? I'm thinking that's what we're doing here. If this says create user instead of create personnel, that would be better. Because then you're going to choose what their role is, and the role should be on this form as well. Okay. Projects and then users. But do we want to show personnel in the header? Man, I might have to make a call. I might have to make a call to my to the team to ask them about this, honestly. Before I make this decision. Okay. Yeah. I might have to do that, man. Any progress, but I'm pretty sure that, I mean, create user. Only thing is, like, I would have to, well, I could just walk. I'm trying to think. I was gonna call him on Slack, but that's this computer. I could just mute my mic for a second. Yeah, I want to ask him this real quick. So I will mute my mic and just let the instrumental keep going. But I definitely need to call and ask if, because I don't want to spend a whole hour making this change here and then just to have to like go back and change it later. Okay. Yeah. I mean, shoot, who knows? He might not even answer, but it is like a pretty good time, I would say, to call like early in the morning. All right, let me pause this. Where is it playing from? Oh. Actually, I'll keep it playing. And I'm gonna mute my mic real quick. Okay, there was no answer, which is fine. I'm sure he'll reach out probably soon when he does wake up. So I'm just gonna move forward. Got 20 minutes till 9, so I'm gonna see how much I can get done before then, before 9. Gonna go back to like instrumentals. Right. Wait. Okay. Update the form header and button labels to respect specific personal references. Refactor form fields. Retain fields that are relevant for the user type. For fields like badge number, trade, rate, determine if they should be part of the user type or handled through a separate relation. Badge number, trade, rate. True. True. That was part of the badge number, trade, rate. That's why they were different. Okay. The reason was because of the refactor. For fields like badge number, trade, and rate, determine if they should be part of the user type. Badge number, trade, and rate. Should that be part of the user type or handled through a separate relation, like attributes tied to the user's role? Attributes tied to the role. True, because if it's personnel, then it would have that. I think that's the better way to do it. Attributes tied to the role. Yeah. For badge number, trade, rate, and personnel image. All of the personnel fields will be attributes. Will be attributes tied to the user's role. Adjust the state hooks to store and manage the data appropriate for the user's type. Include additional state as needed to handle role-specific attributes. Modify state manager. Adjust the state hooks to store and manage data for appropriate user's type. And then update Firebase interaction. Change the Firestore collection reference from personnel to users. True. Ensure that when creating a new document in users collection, you assign the correct roles to signify that your user is part of the personnel. Handle file uploads. In the file upload functionality, it's still required. Ensure if the file upload functionality is still required, ensure that it uploads to a location appropriate for the user type. Adapt toast notifications. Update the success and error messages to appropriate it for creation of a user rather than personnel. Here's how you can upload the handle submit function and some other parts of the component to align with the user type. By making these changes, you align with the global phasing out personnel while keeping the UI's impact minimal. The component now adds user entities. The component now adds user entities with personnel roles fitting the new structure. Ensure that after these changes, you also update any test and documentation related to the component to reflect the new behavior. So import iUser user roles for types. Export default function user form. Now it's open, it's closed, props just this element. Other hooks. Handle submit. Users ref collection database users. Add the document. Role. Personnel, align the assign the role. This is a user form refactor. Alright, I'm actually going to try to call someone else on the team just to make sure that I called two separate people before I go further down the rabbit hole. So I'm gonna mute my mic again real quick. Okay. Right. R- Right. R- Right. Right. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that, and I'll be sitting here. If you guys want me to hop into that huddle too, I'll be here working until 5 today. I mean, not just on this, but various different things. Yep. Yep. All right. Have a good day, bro. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay. So definitely got clarification there. Um. Hmm. So the advice has been to work around the issue for now until, or at least try to see if I can just either mock the data that's causing us errors, or um wait a minute, either mock the data that's causing errors or comment everything out if I can, just work around the error, because it was an informed decision to not fix this yet, because the time that it would take to fix this could possibly be longer than, it's not scheduled right now. Not that I understand why though, because it keeps rearing its ugly head over and over again. So I'm thinking we should just, like, if it doesn't take too long, I guess that's the thing. Like, maybe this is such an involved thing that it's gonna take longer. Like, I'm only seeing the tunnel vision of, this fixing these three different things: the components, the hooks, and the routing. Maybe there's something else this is gonna affect that has a bigger time commitment than what I won't know until I get there. So I'm going to follow that advice and try to, like, comment out the code, try to do a workaround still, so I could view the settings page that I'm building. I can't believe it's 30 minutes again already. Trying to do the Pomodoro technique, man, but it's hard. I feel like the Pomodoro technique, I get giving your brain a break every 30 minutes. Like, I get it, but maybe it's because I have ADHD, but I feel like once I get it already takes me like 15 minutes to get into the flow state of working, where I'm locked in and I'm comfortable. So I might need, I know that I'm doing the 30-minute with the 5-minute break. I know that there's a 50-minute one too. 50-minute and I think 10-minute break. I think I may go with the 50-minute one, because I feel like I'm just now getting started a lot of times when it's time to take a break already. So I normally usually work in like 2 to 3 hour sprints, but I'm gonna try to stick with the Pomodoro and do the 50-minute one. I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna do from 9 o'clock to 9:50, and then do a 10-minute break. Because, yeah, I think I'll be more productive that way, because it takes me a while to even get going. So this is gonna be a 90-minute or 50-minute sprint right now. Okay, and I'm gonna get back to trying to work around the issue. Even though I have a plan to fix it though, I gotta make sure I remember what the plan here was. Okay. Let's see. I need to stretch real quick. Personnel form, edit form, and personnel table export errors. These errors suggest the corresponding components. Personnel form, edit form, personnel table. If you do not have a default export, ensure that each component file has a default export. Verify the paths, personnel, blah, blah, blah. Address file and correct the file paths, blah, 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 blah. Preview the setting page, comprehensive. What happened was I commented arising from the issue fixing Cascading issues. That's a good way to describe it. Given your situation where commenting out code led to cascading issues, and considering your goal to focus on building the settings page, using mock data or mock components as a temporary workaround is a structured and manageable approach. Then commenting out exports or entire components. True. This method allows you to isolate the work on the settings page from the unresolved issue in your parts of your project. Here's a step-by-step guide to implementing mock components and data, which should help you move forward more effectively. Create mock components. For components that are causing errors and are not yet implemented, like the personnel. Oh, create mock versions that simply render placeholders with minimal UI. Okay. True. So instead of trying to comment everything out, I could just make a fake one that works. A simple fake one. Replace. For components that are causing errors and not yet implemented, create mock versions that simply render placeholders or minimal UI without the need for the problematic dependencies. Mock personnel form and then just div. True. Replace the imports of the real components with these mocks in your settings page or wherever else. Instead of relying on data fetching from your database or state management that might depend on types components causing errors, create mock data that resembles the structure of the expected data. Use the mock data directly with your components or hooks. And then implement conditional imports. Okay. Isolate development for. Okay. Yeah. So I had the right idea, but went about it the wrong way. As you resolve these issues with the real components and data types, gradually replace the mocks with actual implementations. True. This approach ensures that your progress on the settings page is not lost. Using mock components and data allows you to decouple your work on the settings page from the broader refactor issues, providing a cleaner and more focused development path. Once the settings page is in a good state, you can then systematically address the commented. True. Remember, this approach is meant to be temporary. Alright, that's what we're gonna do. Let me make sure. Yeah, that's the plan. Alright, that should be easy too. And then, so I'm gonna put that off to the side for now, and we're gonna just remove all of the commented out things that I was doing earlier. Why is that? Alright, yeah, that's all of these need to stay. Add personnel form. Oh yeah, let's move this back. Let's discard this change. Discard all changes to this.
To my brothers and sisters on planet Earth, knowledge paves the way to love, and love in its turn fosters understanding and leads one along the path of great common achievements. Our imagination, devotion, perseverance, together with divine grace, mystics, will assure your success. Peace demands the united efforts of us all. Who can foresee what spark might ignite the fuse? Love.
Give it up for Sister. realness.
We must stay focused. So in the export, I use your interface. We're not going to do that yet. Don't commit this change. Batch number, project secret, personnel specific fields conditionally based on the user's role. That's all emulator shit. Save that. No way. Whoops. Okay. Woo! Okay, it's still there.
In the middle of the night, I can see silver light in the streets. You the finest tonight I done seen. The sight I'm excited to see. Ride with me, I won't fuck with nobody but you. Don't fuck with nobody but me. We can make Pulp Fiction. I got vitamin C. Fire on the side of the sea. Yeah, energy too strong. Throwing two birds in a pic. I'm too stoned. New chain, new stone, new homes. Even though I came from the group home, I know not to group you with the groupies. Y'all came in the group though. Red coupe with the roof gone. Red roof with a few hoes. Do not sound good at taking you home. All the couch shit I'm cool on. I get off turning you on. Last week I did the blue notes. This week I'm making blue notes. No, I don't wanna link in no function. I know buddy got killed at that one shit. Pulling guns got us pulling up punches. No, I won't make no assumptions. But in the night I can see silver light in the streets. You the finest tonight I done seen. The sight I'm excited to see. Ride with me, I won't fuck with nobody but you. Don't fuck with nobody but me. We can make Pulp Fiction. I got vitamin C. Fire on the side of the sea. We can be just like Adam and Eve, reaching for apples and trees. When I see you at night in the scene, I must admit I was intrigued. Ride with me, I won't fuck with nobody but you. Don't fuck with nobody but me. We can make Pulp Fiction. I got vitamin C. Fire on the side of the sea. Okay, I heard you a wild girl, outlaw, real cowgirl. We can break every law they make, we can turn it into our world. pulling up with a stick and a stick shift. I'm trying to scoop a young miss for some mischief. The way you move, put mist in the windshield. I can crack a window, you can feel the wind chill. We can get graphic, right here in traffic, right here on camera. I wanna see you candid, get it on camera. Fuck high fashion, show me how fast you can get it unfastened. I'm not strict, shot it out, let you strip right here on the strip, turn the whip into magic. And I ain't pretentious, I don't look down. On a few red flags, I could look past them. I forgot the difference between lust and love, so I'm above holding grudges. Probably should hold the glove, touching ovens. Probably should know my limit before I hit it. Look like it's gonna be difficult to quit it. Feel like I did a ritual up in it. Feel like I'm giving scriptures when I'm painting pictures of the things in the night I can see. Silver light in the streets. You the finest tonight I done seen. A sight I'm excited to see. Ride with me, I won't fuck with nobody but you. Don't fuck with nobody but me. We can make Pulp Fiction, I got vitamin C. Fire on the side of the sea. We can be just like Adam and Eve, reaching for apples and trees. When I see you at night in the scene, I must admit I was intrigued. Ride with me, I won't fuck with nobody.
I'm gonna have to go make some breakfast.
Fuck with nobody but me.
This
we can
next
make
break.
Pulp Fiction, I got vitamin C. Fire on the side of the sea.
How long I say? We're going till 9:50. Okay, that looks like everything. Okay. Property ID does not exist. Type I user. Wait a minute. Personal phone. Add personal phone. ID was not unusual. So these are all the things I need to make my data for. I ought to listen to Stevie Wonder. All right. Now, let's do it. Let's do this mock data thing.
From heaven, you drop me back down to this cold, cold world. Took me running in your rocket, gave me a stop, but at a half a mile from heaven, you drop me back down to this cold, cold world.
Our user type definition does not align with the expected structure of the personal data that you're trying to work with.
A female Shakespeare of your time, with looks to blow Picasso.
First, ensure your eye user equivalent type that should be placed in the eye personnel accurately reflects the data. Because eye user is meant to represent both
like symphonies by Bach or Brahms. Nevertheless, running in your rocket, you gave me a stop, but at a half a mile from heaven, you drop me back down to this cold, cold world. Ooh, you took me running in your rocket, gave me a stop, but at a half a mile from heaven, you drop me back down to this cold, cold world. Passion burning in your heart would make hell's fire seem like a spark. Where did it go? Just why that you would overnight turn love to stone as cold as ice, I'll never know. But you took me running in a rocket and gave me a stop, but at a half a mile from heaven, you dropped me back down to this cold, cold world. Baby, you took me running in your rocket, gave me a stop, but at a half a mile from heaven, you dropped me back down to this cold, cold world. Cold, too cold, you took me running in your rocket and gave me a stop, but at a half a mile from heaven, you dropped me back down to this cold, cold world. As around the sun, the earth knows she's revolving, and the rosebuds know to bloom in early May. Cause hate knows love's the cure. You can rest your mind assured that I'll be loving
Adjust your
you
components
always.
and
As now can't reveal the mystery of tomorrow, but in passing another day. Just as time knew to move on since the beginning, and the seasons know exactly when to change. Just as kindness knows no shame, know through all your joy and pain, that I'll be loving you always. As the day I know I'm living, but tomorrow could make me the past, but that I